How do you transfer your music playlist from Spotify to YouTube or even YouTube Music? You can transfer your music playlist by using a third party platform like Tune My Music or Sound IIZ because music streaming services do not have a built in direct export button. These tools log into both accounts to match and copy your tracks automatically. But the downside of using such third-party tools is that they only apply or give you only some limits, like 500 to 1000 tracks per transfer. If you have larger playlists, you must transfer them in smaller batches or buy a 1-month premium pass. So rather than subscribing to such expensive platforms, what you can simply do is search for the playlist, tap on the search bar and type in playlist and hit search. And here you'll see a list of playlists. Simply tap on any one. And what you can do is simply copy the name from here and search it on YouTube. You can also see the artist name so you can search it more easily. Now open YouTube. Now type in the playlist name and hit search. And from here you'll get a list of playlists. Simply tap on one of it and start playing the audio. And that's it for the video, guys. Thank you for watching the video. If you enjoyed the video, consider giving it a like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.